SRPT stock analysis. This is for Thursday and onwards. I'm going to show you my exact play, whether this thing really is really a buy or not. So watch this very short 1-minute video till the end. With Sarepta Therapeutics, man, it's like 20% down. So that's tough. You know, that's a rough one. And all I'm going to do is zoom out and show you kind of this whole biases right here. You know, like I've made a video on this yesterday. Yes, sir. Yeah, you see? And unless I saw this, like, I mean, unless I still see these shifts above 64.30 and onwards, then I'm not going to look to further take things up. People are going to have their thoughts on it, but honestly, man, I'm just going to stick to something that I've seen working and tested for me. But if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month without indicators, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. It's a free newsletter.